Kanina, okay eh. Paboritong laro ng bayan, ang Pinoy!
Iya! Iya!
Kulang sa diin eh. Kailangan may diin. Pinoy! Yan, hinyo rin.
Iya! Okay, tawagan muna natin yung stewardess natin. Saida!
Hey, how are you?
I'm good, sir.
You're good? What do we have for today?
Before that, sir, will you allow me to promote something?
Oh,
Something.
will we allow you to
Promote
promote
something.
something?
Okay.
The one that you've been promoting since last week? Etos.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm inviting everyone to watch our show entitled Babe to Babe on October 29 in
Babe to
Circo
Babe?
Tomas Murata.
What?
Babe to Babe.
Babe to babe.
Akala ko
Not
bed to bed.
Babe
Babe
to
to
babe.
babe.
When? October 29.
29 at Circo Tomas Murata. There will be awesome performances and death-defying,
Go.
breathtaking,
Hostage taking.
and many, many more. Yes, sir.
Oh,
What? Breathtaking. I thought, sorry.
walang breastfeeding. Pambihira ka naman. Iba yun sa mga nanay naman yun.
Babe to babe.
Oh, babe to babe.
Oh,
Okay.
sa Friday na yun. Friday.
Breathtaking. Oh.
Okay, you remind us again tomorrow, huh?
Yeah,
All
Vic
right.
will buy all the tickets.
Yeah.
Okay.
Breathtaking, huh?
Breathtaking.
Not... What do we
feeding the baby. No.
And I prepared lumpiang chog.
Ooh!
No wonder I can smell the
Excuse me.
asin, huh?
Do you have hubad?
Hubad na toge.
Lumpiang
na toge.
hubad.
Anong hubad na toge? Do you
Hubad
have
na
hubad?
lumpia.
Lumpiang hubad.
I can undress it, sir, if you want.
You can... She can undress it if you want.
Oh, there.
Oh, ayan, oh, ganun lang. Oh, yan ho ang paghuhubad. Oh, mga bata.
Oh, there.
Huwag lang, patubayan lang po, patubayan. Oh,
It's already
It's
hubad.
already undressed.
It's
Okay.
already undressed.
And is it
Bonifacio?
clean?
It's clean, sir, but I don't know if the undress is clean.
Iba to. Hoy! Mga Dabarkads, masarap to, mainit pa, oh.
Ano yan?
What?
May request?
Pwede daw mag-Pinoy henyo si Boy Kalas. Si Boy Kalas.
Sino?
Mahaba ba hininga niyan? Talaga.
Okay, come here.
Okay, ito.
Come here, request.
Request, napag-usapan yung breathtaking. Ito, tingnan natin.
I can really promise to prolong my Pinoy because there's some damages.
Yours is very long. It's very long. You think very long?
I try my best.
Okay, try.
Okay. Pinoy!
Huwag niyo kiniliti. Huwag niyo kiniliti. Pampira, si Rubio, kiniliti.